Legit. Hey guys, Robin Dempsey here with the Holly McRae Home Marketing Group. I am out here at 1247 Longleaf Lane. This home has so much to offer. As you can see, there's an additional parking pad. There are 4 bedrooms, 3 bath. Just cannot wait to show you this property. If you would like any additional information, please contact any of our beautiful team members and we will be happy to show you. I actually just wanted to give you an opportunity to check out this huge backyard. As you can see behind me, there's nothing, no neighbors. Pretty nice. So you got a view in the front. Look, Nicole is picking some flowers over there. It's getting real. Right, checking out the back of this house here. Huge yard. Hello world.